What's going on YouTube? Tab back again with another screencast, or we want to call it a update to my blog. This video is about I've been blogging for a full year now, and didn't really do too much tricks, just written content. Um, and this is my results. And give you some context on this blog. The first last year, November and December, I did a blog post a day. January, February, it's the same, a blog post a day, and then really, I slowed down in the summertime. This past summer, I did 3 blog posts per week. Um, so I slowed down the publishing because it's hard to keep up. Working 40 plus hours a week, got a family, I got a YouTube channel to run, I got another blog that I run. It's hard. I'm only up 2 days a week, and my son's young. He was born when I had. He was born in August, so I didn't have a chance last August. So well, not August, but year before that. But I didn't have a chance to I can't write content, so easy for me to do 3 posts a week, and I give more free time and leeway. The blog, to be honest with you, is not where I wanted to be at. As you can see here, December 2018, I got 1,000 views, and then January 1,000, and ever since this year, it's been just going down and down. April I got 355, 200, 199, and 270, and now it's starting to pick up some. So September I got 244 visits to the blog. October I got 283, and November I got 294. So I think this is that hockey stick. I think it's starting to happen. I'm praying. I'm not praying. I am praying, but I'm hoping that this will start increasing to 300 and 400 and back to that 1,000 page views a month type of goal. So that's what I'm hoping for right now. Right now, I'm recording this video December 4th. I already got 38 views so far to the blog. So it's coming as I keep putting out content. Wait for the hockey stick growth to happen and keep being consistent. But I'm blessed just to have this much views, even though it's not the views that I want. Some people don't have these views. Some people don't have no views to their blog. Some people don't have a blog up. But I have a blog. I am getting some type of traffic. So I'm grateful to have this. And we go about the weekly forecast. It can break it down in comparison, because if I'm getting 50 views a week, I want to get 60 views a week. So the week of November 4th, I got 76. The week after that, I had 75. And it's 56. And last week, I had 70 views. So this week, I got 27 views. So this week is almost over. Today's Wednesday. I got Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I have 3 more days. Hopefully, I get at least 10 more views per day. And that will give me 40 views, 30 views, 67. I want to beat at least 70, so I'm trying to do better than I did the month before. So it's not going where I wanted to go right now. I want to have that hockey stick growth, that getting 30,000 page views a month and making money from the blog. And I believe it can still happen if I stay consistent enough and keep writing blog content and keep publishing that content on a weekly basis. I publish my content Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and that's my frequency I post. The weekend, Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, I pick a 2-hour window and I publicize that content, meaning I put that on social media, on Pinterest, and stuff like that. I just started Pinterest maybe 3 or 4 months ago. Haven't had a big result. I haven't had time to sit down and do Tailwind. Because while I'm in a 2-hour window, what's more important, do Tailwind or do more content? And I choose more content over Tailwind. So you pick and choose your battles. So I do more YouTube, and YouTube made me a little bit of money. Then I write a blog post, timestamp it, put photos on it, affiliate links, and move on. Tailwind is a good thing to have, but I'd rather write new content, to be honest with you. So the numbers is not great, but some people don't have these numbers. You gotta keep that in the back of your mind. Some people not even getting this. Some people are getting 2 or 3 views a day. I'm getting like 10. I'm getting like 250 a month. Some people not even getting that. So I thank God for that. And I just keep pushing forward and keep working. The blog is not where I want to be at, trust me, but it's all good. It's all good. So that's the end of my video. This is 1 month. This is no, sorry, 1 year of blogging. No tricks, no whatever. I hire writers for my blog from iWriter.com. So if you want to know, I write content myself, but also hire writers from iWriter.com to write me some good writing for a cheap price. So if you want to get an iWriter, I'll have a link below the video for that as well. But and you want to start a blog, because I seen blogs make 30, 40 grand a month from what I'm doing, is writing content on the internet. If you want to start a blog and don't know what host to use, I use Bluehost. And I have a link below for Bluehost as well. You get a free domain name, which is your name or your title of your website. Go ahead and start that up and start and writing content, writing blog posts. And one quick note before I get off, I follow John Chow. I'm following him for a while, for a couple of years now, and I'm just fascinated that he has a multi-dollar business from blogging. The same thing I'm doing, he's doing. So, and he always says, if you want to make money from your blog, you have to start the blog. You have to write content. You have to write your first blog post. You have to keep writing content. You must be consistent enough. See, the consistency will always wins. On my YouTube channel, my last video, I've made $180 in 1 month of AdSense. And the reason I made that little bit of money, because I keep posting videos. I kept doing videos. I did videos non-stop. I kept consistently making videos. And now my revenue going up and up and up. Well, the same with the blog. The more content you put out there, the more consistent you are, the more money you make. So if you want to start a blog, use Bluehost. I use Bluehost. I love Bluehost. They're fantastic. They're affordable. You're paying $3-4 a month, and I believe you get a free domain name with a new account. And domain name is like $10, but you already pay it up. You get that free with a new host. So start the blog. And my last YouTube video, don't let YouTube be the only way you make money. Don't let your blog be the only way you make money. Make money in other avenues. Start your second blog. Start a third blog. Start 1 or 2 YouTube channels. Invest in the stock market. Start getting some dividend paying stocks. Invest in the real estate market. You know what I'm saying? Invest in crowdfunding. Start your offline business. You want multiple streams of income coming in without you doing much effort. So the blog is just one stream. A second blog is a second stream. A third blog is a third stream. The YouTube channel is 1. 2 YouTube channels 2. The stocks is a stream of income. Your job is a stream of income. Uber is a stream of income. You want to do all these things now. Write the content now. Plant the seed. And my belief is every time I write a blog post and hit publish or I timestamp it, I'm putting a seed into the ground for Google to rank and for people to come to my site and for me to make money. So every time I plant a blog post, I plant a seed. Every time I do a video, I'm planting a seed. That's how you gotta look at it. All the way to make money in this world, you gotta put action behind it. Consistency and action will work. Your universe will pay. The universe will reward you for putting the hard work. All right. So my name is Ty with SKing.com. I want to say thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.